Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 16th to August the 18th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po, that is Pabaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience na po. So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, Leo, I wanted to know that this is a channel reading, no? You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, magsimula na tayo. Leo. So, Leo, ang nakikita ko dito parang sinasabi mo, sandali lang ha, kailangan ko munang huminga. Either I'm really overwhelmed with what is happening, regardless if that is positive or negative. You kind of like, you were caught up off guard, no? So parang sinasabi ko, sandali, I wasn't expecting this. So I need some time, to think about it. I need some time for me to sit on it, sleep on it. Probably I'm going to make a decision right after, no? Pero yung ngayon bibiglain mo ako, parang medyo uh, nawala ako sa wisyo, no? Parang hindi ko siya in-expect. I need some time, kasi at the end of the day, it's either me who's going to, well, at the end of the day, um, I know that it's either I am going to harvest either lesson or blessings, no, with this decision. So what I'm trying to do here is parang bigyan mo ako ng time para makahinga, no? Wow. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, ah, you might be in a situation that one of you, or actually, no, both of you are not on the same boat. You're not probably on the same journey, no? Sabihin natin yung isa kasi nagmamadali, yung isa naman medyo bagal-bagalan natin, no? Whether this is you're asking for medyo bagalan or this is your person, you can switch the energies, no? Alam ko matatalino kayo, no? So you know what I'm trying to say. What I'm reading here is the dynamic, all right? Kasi yung iba medyo, naguguluhan. So if that, kung di nyo po yun makuha, the reading is not for you, no? So I guess what I can say is matalino po yung mga most of the subscribers, no? Ayan. So, with the Queen of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, so medyo we are observing the person. We might be, sabihin natin, still in doubt, with the person is trying to say, or the person trying to, sabihin natin, ipinapakita sa atin, no? We are unsure if the person is real. So you need some more time for you to think about it, no? Kasi medyo may nag-i-invest na, no, si person. Either you're not believing on it or medyo bago, no? Either medyo bago sa experience mo or medyo bago din sa iyong pananaw. Bakit nagkakaganito si person lately? No? With the Ten of Pentacles and the Hierophant, for a few numbers of you, there might be some reconciliation or gusto makipagbate, no, if there's some sort of issues between you and your person. I think that these persons trying to court you again, so nililigawan ka ulit ng the same person who actually courted you before. So it doesn't matter if you have separations, whether it is physical or energetic, this person's trying to make amends or trying to win you back, where's the Devil card? Tingnan muna natin. Kasi with the Devil card in here, I kind of feel that there is some sort of like a control, no? May pagka-control freak. Parang inaaligaga ka. There you go. So kaya gusto mo ng time. Gusto mo ng um, sabihin natin medyo makapag-isip-isip ng konti, no? Gusto mo munang ipahinga, either napagod ka ng kakaintindi dito sa taong to, tapos kung kailan niya gustong bumalik, pabalik siya, no? Or kung sinaktan ka nitong taong to, no? Parang pag sinabi niyang sorry, okay na. Hindi naman pwedeng ganun, no? So you're trying to win, or you're trying to take back your crown. No, parang, sandali, no? Ibibigay ko naman sa'yo yung tamang desisyon sa tamang panahon. No? With a Queen of Pentacles in here, kasi nakikita ko naman, mabibigyan mo naman siya ng chance or mabibigyan mo siya ng rightful time. No? Pero ang sayo kasi medyo inaaligaga tayo. Kumbaga, sabihin natin, you probably want to do some healing, no, yourself, or you probably want to do some yung kumbaga asikasuhin mo na yung sarili ko once malakas na ako, no? Whether it is health wise or what have you, yung puso mo kung ready ka na, yung maawa na, doon mo sasabihin sa kanya na, sige, okay na. Pero yung pinipilit ka sa isang bagay na hindi ka pa ready, medyo nagre-refuse tayo, no? Whether it is the healing, whether it is the forgiveness, meron ditong pagpupumilit, no? Let's try to clarify the Devil card. The Chariot and the Two of Cups. Now, what I am seeing in here, pwedeng nagpupumilit, come on, no? Magtanan, mag-live-in, magpakasal na, where in fact you probably think, wait, I know it will gonna happen, but I think it's too early, no? You kind of caught me off guard, katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina. Let me think about it, don't pressure me, no? So, yeah, Leo, that's what I am seeing. Let's check the emotion of your person. Now, this could be their feelings or your feelings, no? I wish we could be together forever and want to hold you in my arms. So there's actually longing, no? For a few numbers of you, there's probably literally separation, or probably you are medyo nag-away lang, at medyo may konting, sabihin natin, time freeze, no? Na nangyari. So this person truly wanted to hold you in their arms once again. So ganun kanya ng this. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Leo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Sagittarius. Yeah, so that's the zodiac sign, no? So again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi niyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section, as long as the questions answerable by yes or no. Yan. Pero kilala niyo yung sarili ninyo, no, Leo. Kung alam nyo na hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, pumunta na kayo doon sa link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. You're gonna see the question form right ahead, so I kind of edited. And at the very bottom, you're gonna see the information, how much per question, the QR codes. You're also gonna see the name, the number for your reference. Ayan. If you also want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. Tuloy pa rin yung manhunt. Di siya natatapos. Please report those fake accounts and then screenshot and then submit it to the designated email. Bubunot po tayo ng winner kapag nagapi na natin yan. And Leo, kung hinahanap niyo itong X-Files, if you still care about your exes, nandun po yan sa Facebook. The Facebook account is Babaylan TV. May mga video po kasi na hindi ko na dito pinopost, nandun din sa Facebook, lalo na when it comes to the exes. This is your reading, Leo. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na video. Goodbye.